In 2017, the infamous Wannacry attack caused a significant disruption across systems used by industrial and public services, including hospitals, transportation, and manufacturers. Companies like FedEx and Spain's Telefonica were affected, as well as the UK's National Health Service. Scarily enough, this is just one example of how an attack can be executed by quietly infecting computers on critical city and network infrastructures, subsequently exfiltrating sensitive information for monetary gain. What you need to know: spyware is a type of malware that aims to gather personal or organizational data, track or sell your web activity. Examples like searches, history, and downloads, capture your bank account information, and even steal your identity. Multiple types of spyware exist, and each one employs a unique tactic to track you. Ultimately, spyware can take over your device, exfiltrating data or sending personal information to another unknown entity without prior knowledge or consent. How the attack happens: spyware can install itself on your device through various means, but will commonly get a foothold in your system by duping the user or exploiting existing vulnerabilities. This can happen thanks to carelessly accepting a random prompt or pop-up, downloading software or upgrades from an unreliable source, opening email attachments from unknown senders, or pirating movies and music. Where the attack comes from: thanks to crimeware kits that are now readily available, this type of attack can come from anyone and anywhere. But often, they'll originate from nefarious organizations looking to sell your information to a third party. That is all for today. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe this channel for more such interesting videos. Bye. See you soon.